Welcome to the house the JH. We have these roofs. This was the stupidest project. This building is literally a boring market. It's literally my stupidest idea here in that part. But in this one, I just put one door for no reason, because this thing is kind of getting the way when I'm opening this thing. So that's the shelves, and there's nothing here because I'm too lazy. And look at the inside here. Get this thing and the kitchen. Forgot to make a faucet there. I'm gonna make it later, so I'm not halfway done yet. You have a bedroom. You have a secret here. It's like here. We'll show that later. The dining room here. We got a farm here. Some farmland. Yeah, some farmland. This took me for like 4 days. 4 days, so big. I'm like occupying a whole island right now. We got this covered, guys. It's a hole. Let's do not mind that for later. And we got pretty sure that's nothing. And this is the sign, JH house, more like justice and honesty. I don't know why I put some buttons there. And we got I actually wanted to occupy that island too, but I'm too lazy to make a bridge all the way here to there. But I'm gonna make a boat here. And oh yeah, I forgot. I have to show something. It's the secret. That was a stupid project too. And we got some of these guys. They're not done. Their homework. My homework be like, not really. Let's go back here and see. So why is there light? How? But if I cover it, there's no light. I use some stone slabs to like hide it. It still works. There, it's the painting room, the painting storage, something, whatever. So that's everything to the house. I'm gonna add some things and I'm going to post it on the community. And so yeah, I'm gonna make more ones there. And kinda like destroy those birch and oak plant, like what? Oak, birch and oak trees. I don't know. I put it some light so I can remember. So when I'm going everywhere for no reason, I can still see it. Maybe I'll put a letter N there. A big N. Maybe far away. So I can see it. Aliens can see it. I was so bored and I just made this project. And got this kitchen tool. Nothing there. Too lazy. Kind of a hard work. I'm gonna put the faucet, bridge, something, and a big N, letter N there. Okay. And that's everything. It's everything for the biggest house or the biggest thing I have ever made. And I made a lot, and I just damage mobs. Yes, damage mobs, and just fried chicken, then some steak and pork, something. You know what I mean. So I'm gonna just remove these for later, and we're gonna put some more light. It's not lighting much. Maybe let's put it now. Get light here. Okay. Let's put some lighting corners or something. Nope. Outside. Like that. Okay, we're now done. And that's everything. So, don't have much time. It's 10 in midnight, so I'm gonna remove those buttons later, and maybe bye. Nah.